What's up guys? Welcome back to another tooltip video. In today's video, I will show you the different ways that you can show participants feedback on their answers. Let's jump right in. There are 4 ways to show your participants feedback. The first one is instant feedback. Instant feedback shows participants immediate feedback as soon as they have selected their answer. It will show them if their answer was correct or incorrect. Instant feedback is available for multiple choice, image answers, and drop-down elements. To set this up, just click on the answer you want instant feedback for, and then under Click Behavior, click the drop-down menu and select Instant Feedback. Under that, in the feedback text, you can write a short description of why the answer is correct or incorrect. Keep in mind though that this feedback text is the same thing that will show up if the participant selected the right answer and also the wrong answer. Secondly, feedback on the next page. This is feedback that is shown on the next page after they have selected their answers. You can set this up using logic jumps. All you have to do is create a new page for both the incorrect page and the correct page. To achieve this, you will need to create a new page for each result. One for this is correct and one for this is incorrect. So just click the plus sign at the bottom and name the page correct. Then drag a heading onto the page and write your answer is correct and delete the subline. Then click on save and close. Then all you will need to do is duplicate this page and rename it to incorrect. And then just change the text to your answer is incorrect, and then press save and close. Now that you have your correct and incorrect page, you can use logic jumps to connect this all together. So I will just drag these pages after the first multiple choice question, and then I will also drag a button onto the screen and link the button to logic jump, and then select to have the correct answer go to page number 5, and then for the incorrect answer, I will just have it go to the next page. And then I will click on the multiple choice question on page number 2. And I will select logic jumps underneath click behavior. And for the incorrect answers, I will select jump to page number 4, which is incorrect. And for the correct answer, I will jump to page number 3, which is correct. Thirdly, answers on the final page. For this, you will need to use answer piping. To set this up, all you will need to do is drag the heading element onto one of the final pages, and then underneath heading text, you will see that there's a button called Add Answers and Data. You will need to click on that, and then you can select the answers from each page and put them into this header. And then you can also write a little text saying these were your answers, and then list the answers to each question. Fourthly, answers in an email to participants. Answer piping can also be used in an email to your participants. I have a whole video out on how to send custom emails to your participants, which you can check out by clicking over here, or it will also be linked in the description below. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching, bye!